Yes, Virgin, welcome to Jamaica Topic. Good afternoon. Welcome. You're live on the air.
Yeah, man. Good afternoon, Topic. Big up yourself. Yeah, man.
My boss.
As we are saying,
yes.
They have to clean up and set up what they must set up down there first. Because we have to take time to lock down the whole system, you know. But we find that the government is using the money to do his own business all over the place and not giving the people them whatsoever they forget and not taking care of the people them, not taking care of the hospital, and we are watching him carefully. So we saw everything what he's doing, he cannot hide.
All right, so hold on a second, my brother. Hold on a second. Let me just put it into context. So you are a Jamaican living in the diaspora. You're a Jamaican living in the United States.
Yes, sir.
So you are a member of the diaspora. So Miss Audrey Marks is asking you, yes, you. She's asking you to ask the State Department to please revise the travel advisory that they put on Jamaica. What do you have to say about it? You can continue the argument now. What do you have to say to Sister Marks?
We cannot do that at this moment.
Yes.
We need to see the hospital them set up. We need to see tissue, everything. We need to see these people stop sleep on the ground on cardboard. We need to see the people them are taken care of. Because the government is using the money to do different things for he and his colleagues. So we cannot be like that forever. So we have to see better step taken. We need Jamaica people to take care of. The money is coming and they are taking the money. Plus the tax that the people they are paying, the people them need to listen, tell the government to step down. If he win this election, tell him step down. He cannot rule these people because he are not taking care of them. And he always lie to them and con them. And then just the other day when they send the diaspora is gonna march, this flight green jump up and the letter that sent is a false and they don't know nothing about. They have too much big chat. You know how we feel about that? It's like it's a false, and the letter that the man said to notify them is like it's nothing. It's not coming from nowhere. Who is them to do that?
You're on the floor. You're on the air. Jamaica and the world is listening to you. Go ahead.
All of the politicians in Jamaica go on with foolishness. You hear me tell you? When she come out with that, I asked for help. When them did I get the help, them never want it. Okay? There's ways and means to go about a lot of stuff. When people sit down in the diaspora and see how the hospitals look, a pure garbage, me see a ground. A pure people, me see sit down a ground. Okay? And it hurt my soul to know that they can do better. They can do so much better. But big nose them and decide to thief the whole of the money him and him friend them. And don't put money in anything. Right?
The diaspora is sharing their views on the matter. Lord Jesus, them get the diaspora.
Good evening, my friend, at Topic.
Yes, my caller. Blessings and welcome to the program. You're live on the air. So you are a member of the diaspora. You're living in the U.S.
Yes, man. Me the Pan-Ratigan team. Me not afraid to tell you. I'm not afraid to tell the world. Me not hide. Straight up front.
Oh, so you're a member. So hold on a second. So you're a member of Ratigan team in the U.S.
Yes, sir. I'm not afraid to talk. You know what I mean?
Okay, so now let me put this into context. Corruption. You say you don't like the corruption. Let me put it into context again. So we're seeing Audrey Marks asking the U.S. diaspora, which includes yourself. So she's asking you, caller, to ask the U.S. State Department to revise the travel advisory level 3 that they put on Jamaica. What do you have to say to Miss Marks now, sir?
Well, listen to me now. Mr. Ratigan had put a lawsuit against Camilla Johnson. And when that case, you were clearly understanding what they did in Jamaica, said we don't have no standing from the United States. Did you remember that?
Yes, I remember when I said that they don't have any standing and it's a big issue. It's been made out of it because a lot of people in the diaspora who work and send their money come at Jamaica, they're very hurt about it.
All right. So therefore, Ratigan did not come with any fake anything. It's the facts. And if you watch his program, him come out with the facts first. And truth is truth, wrong is wrong. You can't expect when you're wrong, you'll get right. Where the fertilizer them the way them get from Morocco. Now, when that case take place, the result of the judge with the corruption and the cooking up system, them say, Mr. Rattigan have no standing, and that includes me, because I am a United States citizen born in Jamaica. So if we don't have no standing, and yes, we are here trying to help the Jamaican people who are there who cannot come out and talk about the corruption.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, this is a video you at like fire. Please hit the like button for me. Please hit the like button and share the video and comment in the video and tell me what you think about the video. Before I play the rest of the video, I want you to tell me what you think, my viewers and subscribers. The diaspora come out, the people might talk up the things because, you know, Miss Mark says that she's asking the stakeholders in the diaspora to ask this U.S. State Department to revise the Level 3 travel advisory to Jamaica because they made the declaration and tourism a fall off, cancellations are happen. And the diaspora said, no, them not for do it because the Jamaican government a thief the money. Them said Devon and them friend them a thief the money and nobody now account for nothing. The hospital now go and good. My viewers and subscribers are bang around. Judgment, murder, list the rest of the video.
They have too much big chat. You know how we feel about that? It's like it's a false, and the letter that the man said to notify them is like it's nothing. It's not coming from nowhere. Who is them to do that?
So you're
Tell
saying,
Mr. Fred Green to me.
So you're saying that the diaspora is hurt about that remark that they don't recognize the diaspora.
Yes,
You're
Fred
hurt
Green.
over that.
Mr. Fred Green. Yes, Mr. Fred Green was very feisty and out of order. To try to acknowledge, to try to go like he don't know anything about this letter that's sent, to tell them that they must change up their folly ground and they are gonna march. He say he don't know nothing and it like it not coming from the right place. Who is them to say that? So when time the US send out a message, they have to take heed and they have to clean up their and set up. There's not. The sanction will be done on them, and they will feel it, because if we draw our hand.
But them a feel it now, them a feel because them a ball out a whole heap of bookings cancel, you know, whole heap of people a call and say, is Jamaica really safe? So them a feel it now, them a feel it.
And this is just the smoke. This is just the smoke. We want people who can take care of the Jamaican people them and see where all the money spent and how it's spent. These are not like first time. Things are changing and we are watching the Prime Minister, what he's doing with the money, and we see how we're input it and who we have in our business and trying to disguise himself. He cannot hide, you know, we know everything about him. So when he come and trying to pretty up and trying to lie to the people, tell him that he better think twice, because when he come on the stage and told a lie, we are dissecting him and we know heavy lie, heavy crevice, every corner that he turn, we know. So he cannot fool nobody. And if he fool the people them who don't understand, he cannot fool the world, because we are here watching him carefully and tell him we are watching him see what all those Captain things that he buy and put down, and those hammer car, tell him we are watching him carefully. What are you gonna do with them, and what is the plan, you know?
Hold on there. That is the whole heap of armored trucks them will buy a upper camper wherever the heap of armored trucks are them there. So the diaspora is asking about the armored trucks them within Jamaica. You're asking what are those for?
What is the reason for them? Are you gonna fight war? We gonna fight war with? Make sure it's not Jamaican people, you know. And look here, this government need to step down. If he step down, it is better for him. And they have to release the 6. Tell them, listen, we are tired enough. We want to know the 6 and the 6 to release. And we are serious about it. And the longer they hold it, is the harder the penalty is going to be. So let them know that.
You're on the floor, you're on the ear. Jamaica and the world is listening to you. Go ahead.
all of the politicians them in Jamaica go on with foolishness. You hear me tell you? When she come out with that, I ask for help. When them did I get the help, them never want it. Okay? There's ways and means to go about a lot of stuff. When people sit down in the diaspora and see how the hospitals look, a pure garbage me see a ground.
Yeah.
A pure people me see sit down a ground. Okay?
Yeah.
And it hurt my soul to know that they can do better. They can do so much better. But big nose them and decide to thief the whole of the money him and him friend them.
Yes.
And don't put money in anything.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
I live in a foreign country where I see so much opportunities that Jamaica could have. Like if I had the means to do certain things for the poor people, then I would. I work in the nursing field.
Yes.
And I see so much wheelchairs and equipment and stuff where even the poor old people them in the nursing home could use. There's nothing wrong with them.
Yes.
And where do you think they go? In the garbage. They go in scrap yard, brand new wheelchair, brand new lift to help people that can't move. When I'm here watching your show, all I think about is the poor old people that live in some hill and valley. Right? We can't take care of themselves, that have nobody. Right? And I wish I had the means to get all that stuff together. That is just one place I work and see all of that. So you imagine all the other nursing homes, long-term care homes, where old people live, where all of them stuff are going at the garbage, where there is means, where the Jamaican government, right, can do better than what them are doing.
Sister,
okay,
let me put a pause there. So, and you know. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So, you hear the people, you hear the people from the US talk about Devon. You see Devon sit down on him throne there, so with the Jamaica flag back, I'm like a emo in Jamaica. I say the people, I got dethrone you in a Jamaica because you too lie. The moment I lie, you tell the people, man, and you even not lie. You let down the people, the people them from the diaspora talk about the hospital. You see, oh, we not talk about bad publicity. Look on the bad publicity we only get now. Uno now fix up the hospital, the US travel advisory says so. Uno say crime down, the US advisory talk about crime. Uno fail as the US advisory talk, travel advisory talk about. How not talk about this, how not talk about that. Uno should have shame on oneself. But the diaspora attack the things that them I say no. My viewers and subscribers, look out for part 2. I'm gonna bring a part 2, make it hear the rest of the thing. Then please like the video, big up on yourself.